Okay, that's no bueno on the lower control arm. Welcome back to GasDiesel Garage, you guys. My name is Jack, and in today's episode, don't get screwed by the dealer. So stay tuned. Now, the problem I have with this Nissan Versa, this 2016, is that it failed Virginia State inspection for front lower control arms, A-arms, control arms, whatever you want to call it. But anyways, what happens is that the bushings dry rot and then they break apart, and then it causes the front end to be all out of whack. And Virginia says it shouldn't be on the road. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and replace those. And we're not going to get screwed by the dealer because we're going to fix it for a quarter of the cost. Now, the absolute first thing I need to do is get this thing in the air, put it on jack stands, take the wheels off, and we'll go from there. Well, let's take a look at why these lower control arms failed. I don't know, can you see that there? That's the bushing. All this is rubber. Bushing, rubber, same thing. Let's put a pry bar in there. Yeah, shouldn't be doing that. Yeah, they broke. You can see it right in there. And you can probably see that one too. That one's probably also broke. Which, yeah, it is. But the cool thing is, these things are snap to fix. And you're only gonna need 3 sockets to take this thing out, because it's only 3 bolts. So you got this one right here, which is a 21 millimeter. If I was you, I'd use an impact or a big old breaker bar to take that on out. And then you got this one, which is an 18. Get a nut on this side up here that you got to hold, and then with that 18, they're both 18s by the way, put 18 right there, zip it on off. And then over here, let's see if I could turn you over just a little bit. See that right there? Got a 14 on this side and a 14 on that side. Take this on out, pry this out, should slide right on out. Hey guys, you remember when I showed you how this thing was being pried down and how the bushing is broke? Yeah, that's not supposed to happen. So they fail it for inspection. So now what we got some brand new ones. Link in the description below on how to grab some for, like I said, a quarter of the cost. Let's go ahead and put this stuff in. To make these lower control arms come out easy and go in easy, what I like to do is I like to take the sway bar links off so I can actually move this sway bar up so I can access this a lot easier. Make sure I do that on both sides. Go around, and see it, took it off. Now I'm able to slide this on up, get it on out of the way so I can work. First thing I do is I start with this one right here. This is the most pain in the butt one. Slide that in there. And once we got that one anchored, we're able to turn this easily and pound this in so we can put the 21mm in. Well, now that we got the left side done, now it's time to go around here to the other side and square it away.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Essentially, that's all there is to it on putting brand new lower control arms in on a 2016 Nissan Versa. Now, I know the next question I'm going to get is, do I need to get this vehicle front end aligned at an alignment shop? Essentially, yes, you should. I mean, anytime you mess with the front suspension, or any suspension for that matter, it's always a good idea to go and take it to a shop to get it aligned. Yeah, to basically to save your tires, pretty much. And yeah. Well, that's going to be a wrap for this episode of Gas Diesel Garage. If you enjoyed the video, I encourage you, please like, subscribe, even share the video with your friends, family, neighbors, uncles, cousins, all that good stuff. But if you need to get the parts, just look in the down in the description below, and you'll find a link to those exact control arms that I used. And like I said, it's gonna be a quarter of the cost of what a shop will charge you or the dealer would charge you. So I'll leave you guys with this: don't get screwed by the dealer. Subscribe to the channel. I'll help you guys out in any way I can. And with all that being said, we'll just have to see you next time. Peace.